The YouTube Community tab is one of YouTube's best features, but a lot of people still don't really know what it is and how to fully utilize it. If you're one of those people, great! You're in the right place, because in this video, I'm going to be breaking down what the Community tab is, how to enable it, and what we found are the best practices for using it. First, what is the Community tab? The Community tab allows you to post social media-like content on YouTube. It's great for posting updates, behind-the-scenes content, and it allows you to better engage with your subscribers. There are two ways that you can find community posts. They'll show up as you scroll through your homepage on desktop and on mobile. Or if you want to look at the posts of a specific creator, just go to their channel and click on their Community tab. Now, at the moment, there is no way to set up notifications for when content creators post new community posts. So if there are specific channels you want to keep up with, you should regularly check out their Community tab. But how do you enable the Community tab for your own YouTube channel? Well, the first thing to know is that not everyone can. First, your channel needs to reach 500 subscribers. And even once it hits 500 subscribers, it can take up to a week before YouTube enables the Community tab for your channel. Once it is enabled, however, you can find your posts by going into your YouTube studio, clicking on Content, and then going to Posts. There will also be a new section under your Analytics tab that shows your top posts for any given time frame. All right, you have your Community tab enabled. Now, what should you do with it? Well, let's start by talking about what you can do, aka the types of content you can post. Community posts can be just text, or they can include extra contents like polls, images, GIFs, and you can even link to existing YouTube videos. Let's break this down a little further. Images are great for posting behind-the-scenes content, channel updates like videos coming out or events you attend, and sneak peeks into upcoming content. GIFs are great for fun, engaging posts, or building hype for a video about to launch. Polls help you get into the mind of your audience, whether just by posting something fun or asking them about the content you're making, or for ideas for new videos. Lastly, you can link directly to a YouTube video, either to boost a video that you've made, or to show your audience a relevant video you think that they will enjoy. The big question is, what type of content works best in YouTube community posts? Well, both on our own channel and the channels of other content creators we've spoken with, by far the posts that get the most engagement are polls. They're super easy to engage with and people love to get their opinion out there. So definitely make use of polls in your posting. You could ask which video title they would like best, what day or time they want you to post your videos, what topics they want you to speak on, or just something fun like what they like to do to relax or what type of pets they prefer. Anything to get them clicking. Now I'm going to walk you through how to post a community post. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is open up YouTube and go to your channel. From here, you're going to click on this Community tab right here, and this will take you over to where you can post a new community post, or if you scroll down, you can see all of your posts you have made so far. So when you want to create a new community post, you can come here, you can just type, and you could post that. You could add an image, you could add a poll. It'll let you add several options, and you can add more options if need be. And then you can also add an existing YouTube video. So if you click there, you can either just search for it. If you have a specific video in mind, you could enter a URL here, or you can even choose from your previous YouTube video. So like if you just posted a video, and like we've done down here, where we just posted this video and then we went in and made that into a community post as well. And then when you're finished with that, you can click post right here and it'll just post it, or you can click this little arrow and hit schedule, and that will pop up this menu down here, which will let you schedule your post for a future date. The process is actually going to be very similar if you're trying to make a community post from your mobile device. All you have to do is open the YouTube app and go to your channel, like I am right here. Then you want to scroll over and click on Community. Now from here, you can see up at the top where it says What's on Your Mind. You're going to tap right there, and this will take you in to create your post. Now, just like on a computer, you can sit here and you can type out whatever you want, like so. At the bottom left, you can see those two symbols. That's where you will put in your polls, your images, your videos. And then whenever you are finished and ready to post, you can click post in the very top right. Or if you see that little clock button right below it, you can click there to schedule your posts for a later date. So that's a complete walkthrough of the YouTube Community tab. Is there anything I missed? Drop me a comment down below and I'll answer any other questions you have. Thanks for watching to the end of this video. I hope this helped you keep your momentum going.